This is Rosie, and she is a beautiful, beautiful cat, as you can tell. Look at the horizontal flow of her rosetting and this beautiful open rosetted pattern. Very, very nice indeed. Spotting going down the legs. She has beautiful coloring on her. Really nice look to her overall. Yeah, she's talking all about it. Here's her pattern again. She has a beautiful head. Very, very sweet personality. It's so hard to videotape and try to pet and hold a cat at the same time. See the flow of her pattern? This is what is just exceptional with this cat, is this pattern flow. This is what we've been trying to get for so long, is get this very horizontal flow to the pattern, and she has it beautifully. Again, we have this really pretty head and wonderful, wonderful disposition. So this is Rosie. This is Rosebud. She is a daughter of Rosie and Moonshine. So she carries the Seal Lynx gene and is just a gorgeous, gorgeous kitty. Yes, she is. Oh, you're going to go somewhere? No, let's not go somewhere. I have her here on the little podium. She loves to run on the wheel. But right now, I want some photos, Rosie. So there you go.